Hi. Mm, how we can fix this bug? Pay attention to this when we zoom in or when we zoom out. Yeah, as you see, it change. Okay. Okay. How we can have fix this? It's not change. It still be here and it still be here. Not it come left when we change this. So how we can use? First, let's I explain how I made this. First, I declared a line variable. Then I say if body set is last to have just one line, and I reassigned our variable with line.new. I gave body index and high and body index plus 5. So we have line until here. Then I draw label. I got right side right point of line with this my line that get x2 plus 1. So here plus 1 I draw here, and a high is same. Okay, and here are my text, and here while location while location that price not above but not below bar, and start is none. Okay, so we have not any background here. To fix our problem, our issue, we write here one thing. We change style, label that style left. So we update it on chart as you see here, and we don't need here one because it's no, as you see, not change. Okay, scale not change, distance not change, but we don't want a background, so easily we color for example dot any, for example red, and here we change transparent opacity to 0. Okay, and we update it to chart, update it in chart. As you see, no is good, it works well as you see here. Okay, here we can maybe add we have here. So as you see, there is no change. Okay, it's not changing.